The overall goal of this experimental procedure is to prevent the oxidation of metallic substrates during sample transfer from an inhibited acidic solution to an X-ray photoelectron spectrometer.
This procedure allows one to more reliably determine the chemical nature of corrosion inhibitor metal interfaces in acidic solutions, which is a key component of mechanistic understanding and performance prediction. A particular advantage of this approach is that it is relatively easy to apply, and so can be adopted by other researchers undertaking similar measurements.
The protocol is relatively straightforward, but one should practice manipulating samples in the glove box, as this is the most exacting segment of the method. Beyond corrosion inhibition, this approach should also be considered in other areas where XPS measurements are undertaken from air-sensitive interfaces formed in a fluid environment.
We first decided to try this approach as we were concerned that previous work was compromised by oxidation of the inhibited interface upon exposure to air.
To begin this procedure, prepare the carbon steel substrate and the hydrochloric acid solution with added CI, as outlined in the text protocol. Next, pour 25 milliliters of the prepared HCl plus CI solution into a small glass beaker. Using acid-resistant tweezers, pick up the disc-shaped carbon steel sample. Then, lower it into the HCl plus CI solution. Orient the sample so that the cylindrical faces are in the vertical plane.